Hello everybody. Today we are going to see about Calbiotech HSV-2 IgM ELISA kit. You can see this is the top view of the box. You can see the brand name over here, Calbiotech, and I am just going to show you the side view of the pack. This is the side view. Here also you can see the brand name Calbiotech, and over here you can see the product name HSV-2 IgM ELISA kit, and this is the reference number H2032M, and it comes up with a 2-year standard expiry, and this is a 96 well plate. You can see that this product should be maintained in 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, so that only I am using ice pack to maintain the temperature. And over here you can find the package content, what are the product present inside the pack. It comes up with a 96 coated well plate, a control or standard set, enzyme conjugate, wash buffer, stop solution, substract, and certificate of analysis, and an instruction manual. These are the content present inside. This is a C certified IVD product. Over here you can find the manufacturing details. These are the content present in this side. Over here you can find the website of Calbiotech. I am just going to unbox this for your reference. At the top you can find the instruction manual with HSV-2 IgM ELISA and catalog number H2032M. It comes up with a procedure and principle. These are the content present in the instruction manual. I am just going to place this aside. After that you can see the certificate of analysis for the kit present inside the package. I'm just going to place this aside. After that you can see 96 well plate, HSV-2 coated well plate. You can see the reference number H2110AP, and this should be maintained in 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. And you can also see the brand name Calbiotech. I'm just going to place this aside. After that you can see TMB substrate, which is of 12 mm. I'm just going to place this aside. And IgM sample diluent, this is of 22 mm. Enzyme conjugate, this is of 12 mm. Wash concentrate 20x, this is of 25 ml. Stop solution, this is of 12 ml. This is HSV-2 IgM negative control. This is of 1 ml. This is HSV-2 IgM positive control. This is of 1 ml. This is HSV-2 IgM calibrator. This is of 1 ml. To summarize it, this pack consists of one instruction manual for HSV-2 IgM ELISA kit and certificate of analysis, and a 96 HSV-2 coated well plate, and it comes up with stop solution, enzyme conjugate, IgM sample diluent, TMB substrate and wash concentration, and HSV-2 IgM calibrator, HSV-2 IgM positive control and negative control. These are the content present inside the box. Thank you.